All right, so as you can tell, I'm fixing to do a ball joint job on this side of JJ. The problem I've got is this hole appears to be too big because this ball joint was turning inside the hole rather than the knuckle swiveling on the ball joint shaft. So I've got to figure out a way to get my ball joint tight in that hole, my new one, to get me by until I can do something a little more permanent. So that's where I'm at right now. Okay, I've got some good news. My new ball joint don't go all the way up there the way the other one did, so it's going to press in. This has got splines on it, and the splines are hitting right where they need to be hitting. So anyway, that's good. So I can press this in. I may put me a little Loctite on it just to make sure that it don't come loose again. I don't know what happened to this one, but that is definitely an aftermarket ball joint. I bought like an OEM one. That's a Moog. It's like it's comparable to the Dana Spicer ones. So anyway, this one is not. So that's garbage. I got to get this done before nightfall because I got to drive the Jeep to work tomorrow. This is during the middle of the week. So I got to press this top one out and get them both, the new ones, pressed back in. So all right, I got that thing mashed in. You'll notice I've got a Allen wrench here that's bent now. I put that in there because the bottom side of this knuckle or axle C right here is kind of on an angle, and if you don't put something on this side to shim it level, your ball joint will try to go in crooked and can potentially make your hole oversized, which is what I thought I had an issue with down here. So anyway, I burnt my Allen head, but I'm okay with that. I got the ball joint in. Just had to kind of do a little makeshift tool because I don't have the taper. They make a set of these adapters right here just for this, and I don't have them. So anyway, let me get this tool off and go get this ball joint out of the knuckle and press the other one back in. All right, got both my ball joints put in. I know I didn't show the bottom one, but anyway, it pressed in just fine, good and tight. I did put green Loctite inside the housing here on the joint itself and pressed it up in, so that should be fine. And I just got through greasing these, and now it's time to go back on with the knuckle. Well guys, that's the ball joints installed. I don't normally do jobs like this through the week, but I thought that might be a little bit dangerous the way the ball joints was moving. So my parts came in, and this is a Tuesday evening. I went ahead and put them in. So that's going to wrap up this video. I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all's support. Y'all come back next time. We'll see what we got going then.